Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pably. So guys, in this video, you are going to learn how to add Vbout subscribers from new Pipedrive deals automatically. Right guys? So guys, Pipedrive here is a CRM application by which you can interact with your customers, manage them and convert them into customers, right? And here you can create deals and manage deals. And guys, Vbout is a marketing tool we have in which you can create marketing campaigns such as email marketing or social media marketing and many more. So as you have created a deal here in which many people are involved, you have many leads in it and you are trying to close that deal, okay, with many customers. So you want that as and when you got a new person added here in this deal, any lead or customer, you want to add that same lead here in Vbout as a new subscriber so that you can communicate with him or her in future through marketing campaigns, right? So what generally you can do is whenever you add a new contact or lead here in a new deal in Pipedrive, you manually sort out the details of that lead. Then you will come here in Vbout and manually add that person here as a subscriber. But guys, if you are managing hundreds of leads and customers on daily basis, this manual process can be very problematic. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you add new contacts or leads here in a deal in Pipedrive, the data of those same persons will get collected here automatically in Vbout and will be added as a new subscriber. Yes guys, this can happen. And to make this happen, I am using a software here called as Pably Connect. So guys, Pably Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you add a new person here in a deal in Pipedrive, the same person will get automatically added here in Vbout as a new subscriber. And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, right? So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this automation or connection between Pipedrive and Vbout is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen and here you can see I am in my Pipedrive's dashboard, okay, and here you can create deals like these I have created, and here in these deals I have contacts like this, okay, contacts of the concerned persons, right, and we can manage the deals here and close the deals. And also I want the same person who I have added here in the deals to be added as a new subscriber here in my Vbout application. Okay, so Vbout is a networking tool and here I want to add the contacts in this list, right? So let me show you. I am going to create a deal here and here I am going to fill the contact information. So I filled the contact information like this. The person's name is Neeraj Rai. Okay, and this is the organization and this is the title of the deal and this is expected to close at this, okay, and all other details I have filled. Now I'm going to click on save here and you will see that this deal is created here for the hospital deal. Now I want to add the person I have in this deal in my Vbout application as well, okay, this contact. So let me show you. This is my Vbout. Let me refresh this page. And you can see a new contact is added here in this list, in this Pipedrive list that we have, okay. You can see a new ID is added here. Let me open up this for you and you will find out that this is the same person, Neeraj Rai, whose data that we have filled here in our Pipedrive, right? So you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this contact here in my Vbout application. Just by adding this contact person to a deal in my Pipedrive, and this the same person get automatically added as a subscriber here in Vbout also. So let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation. So these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration. Okay, so step 1 is connect Pably Connect to Pipedrive. So first of all, we are going to open Pably Connect and connect our Pipedrive application with Pably Connect. And step 2 says collect the data from Pipedrive in Pably Connect. So in second step, we'll add a new deal here in Pipedrive and collect the data of that deal and the contact persons here in Pably Connect. And step 3 says send the same data to Vbout to add a new subscriber. So the data we have collected here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the same data of the contacts here in Vbout to add a new subscriber. So first of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here PABBLY, that is pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already done this, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. And from this all apps section, I'm going to click here on access now of Pabbly Connect panel. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and from here you can create workflows to start working. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I've given the name as Pipedrive deals data to Vbout as a new subscriber. Okay, so click on create here, and your workflow is created like this, and you will find two things here. First, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new deal created here in Pipedrive, and the action would be is to send the data of the person who is in this deal to Vbout as a new subscriber. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as Pipedrive. This is Pipedrive. Okay, and here in this trigger event, you have to select new deal option and then click on connect. Okay, and from this window select new connection option, and then it will ask for this API token. So to find this token, you have to go to your Pipedrive's dashboard, and in settings you will find the token. So let me show you. So this is my Pipedrive's dashboard, and here I'm going to click on this icon, you can see, and here you will find this personal preferences option. Click on it. Okay, and in this personal preferences you will find this API option. Click on API, and this is the personal API token. Just copy it from here and come to Pabbly Connect and paste the API token here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected like this. Right now it is asking for the company domain, so you can see the company domain in this help text. Okay, how to find it, let me show you here. So when you open the dashboard of Pipedrive, you will see this address here written above in the search bar, and here you can see pabbly2.pipedrive.com. okay, so before this pipedrive.com, this is called as the company's name. Okay, this. Okay, so you have to just copy this and put it here in this company domain field like this. This is our company domain, and so whatever your address would be when you create your own Pipedrive dashboard, this portion will be considered as a company domain. So you have to copy that and paste it here. Right, after that, click here on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing waiting for the response. So you have to do a test submission in Pipedrive. That means you have to create a new deal here, and we'll collect the data of that deal in our Pabbly Connect. So I'm clicking here on new deal option, and I'm filling the contacts here. So I have filled the details here like this. The contact person is Suhail Khan from this organization. This is the title of the deal and all other details. Right, now I'm clicking on save here. Okay, you can see a new deal is created here in Pipedrive. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured. So the data is captured here of the new deal like this, you can see, and here you will find that we have the name of the person, but we do not have the contact number and the email ID of this person. Okay, so to get the other contact details, what you have to do, click on this action window, and from this action step choose Pipedrive again. Okay, and from this action event field, you have to select this option. Let me show you, find person by ID. Okay, Then click on connect here, and now you can choose existing connection. Okay, just click on save, as we have made a connection in this first step, right? And here in this ID field you have to map the ID. Let me show you. So in this first step we have collected the data of a new deal, and here you will find an ID created. Let me show you. So this is the current person ID. So we are going to map this label here in this step. So click here on this ID field and you will find this Pipedrive new deal option. Click on it and you will find all the data that we have captured in the first step. And here you will find this ID. Let me show you. So this is the current person ID. Just map it from here only like this, and then click on save and send test request. And you will see now it started showing this type of response here. And here you can see we have the details like this. Okay, so we got the number, the email ID as well, and all other details, right? Now we want to add this person in my VBout application as well. So for that, click here on this plus icon, and from this action steps, select your application as VBout, this one. And in this action event, you have to select add contact to list option, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. Okay, and now it is asking for the API user key. So you have to go to your settings in VBout and you will find this API user key in this API integrations. Let me show you the process. So guys, this is my VBout dashboard, and here I'm going to click on settings. Okay, and here you can see we have this API integrations option. Click on it, and this is the API user key. So you have to copy this key from here. Let me copy this. And after copying this, you have to paste this key here in this API user key field. Okay, then click on save. And you can see we are connected with VBout also. Now it is asking for the list ID. Okay, so we have all these lists in my VBout. Let me show you. We have these lists here created in my VBout, right? So I want to save this contact in this Pipedrive list. So you'll find this Pipedrive list here. Select the list. Then it is asking for the email address to add as subscriber. So you will find the data of the email address in the second step here, in which we have find the data by ID of the person, right? So let me show you. Here are the details of the person. This is the email value, right? So we are going to map this value here. Click here, then click on the second Pipedrive option, and you will find the email ID of the person, of the contact, which is this. Map it, and here let the status be active, right? The deal is active here, and I'm leaving this IP address blank for now. And in the full name, I'm going to map the name of the person, which I find here in the second step. Let me show you the full name. Okay, so it is not showing the full name here in the second step, so we can take, oh sorry, we have the full name. You can see there is the full name. I'm mapping it, and it is asking for email address again, so I'm leaving it blank. You can, in the cell phone, I can map the cell phone number. So you'll find the cell phone number here like this. Now click on save and send test request, and this data will be delivered to VBout and added as a new contact. So you can see it started showing the response like this. Your contact has been created successfully. Now let's check in my VBout application if we got a new, okay, you can see we got a new ID or a new contact created here by this ID. Let me open this for you also. And you can see it's showing Sohail Khan, okay, and the email address and all the details we have mapped in Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, so connection with VBout is working fine and workflow is completed. Now let me show you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger, we connected Pipedrive application and collected the response of a new deal here in Pabbly Connect from Pipedrive like this. But we do not get the whole information of the contacts here. So we connected Pipedrive again to find the person by ID and by this ID we collected the response like this, in which we got the email address and other details of the contact also. Then we connected in the sections tab VBout application to create here a new contact, and we have mapped the details of the person who was here first in Pipedrive. Okay, so we mapped the information like this, and when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen that the same ID, the same person got added here in a new contact in this list, in this Pipedrive list, right? So the workflow is completed, and we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using it immediately. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.